CT Clamp. Key features and benefits. Wirelessly reports power running through a cable. Comes in single channel, dual channel and 3-channel versions. Can be used to calculate the operational costs of individual appliances and machinery. Easy installation. Simply click around cables. Energy harvesting, inductively powered by the measured cable. Maintenance free for cost efficiency. Open box and check contents for completeness. An alcohol wipe is included with all of our current clamps. This can be used to remove any debris from the ferrite cores if required. Insert current transformer clamps RJ11 cable into sockets. Clip current transformer clamps around the desired cable. Ensure clamped cable has more than 1A flowing to enable commissioning. Please ensure your N-Ocean enabled receiving device is set to receive learn telegrams and is within range of the sensor. Now press the learn button. The LED will flash and the current transformer clamp is now ready. Now let's see that in a real-life environment measuring 3-phase current. Please ensure fitting of the CT clamp is done by a qualified electrical professional and main supply is isolated prior to any installation. Connect current transformer clamps around desired cable. If applicable, ensure the sender box is connected outside any metal enclosures by feeding the cables through an appropriate gland. Insert current transformer clamps RJ11 cable into sockets. Wireless guidelines. In typical building conditions, Pressac's N-Ocean devices will operate at a range of 30 meters line of sight. Reliable and robust indoor installation can be achieved through sufficient reserve in coverage. Recommendations from practice to provide this are available on www.nocean.com. For more information about Pressac products, please visit www.pressac.com.